Hi, this is Lisa, the Quilt Wizard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an extended width pantograph using Power Panto. I'm in Power Panto and I set up a 90 by 90 quilt for this example. I'm choosing my pattern. In this example, I'm using Diamond Drift extended width from Long Arm League, and I'm going to choose the QLI here because of the options that I have. It's important to use the one that says extended width, not the left to right one for this example. It will take a couple of minutes to come in, so just be patient. So it came in at 8.182 and it defaults to center and clip. I already know that I don't want it in center and clip because that will cause it to have a line down the middle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in close to 100%, and you can see what a mess that is. So I'm going to choose Fit and Fill. Fit and Fill will not allow me to nest, and I need to nest these designs together. So I am going to now choose Fit and Nest. Okay, so it came in with 11 rows and my pattern height is 8.18. That's a little bit more compact and pointy than I want it. So I'm going to change my pattern size down so it's flatter. So let's start with 6, for example, and you can see how it flattened it out. And I'm going to zoom out so you can see what's going on here. Okay, now I'm going to start adding rows. So add rows, and as you add rows, you'll see that it's starting to fill in the gaps. So I'll get it pretty close. Now I'm going to zoom in again. That may be a little bit more pointy than I still want it, more compact. So let's take it down to 4, for example. Okay, and then continue the process. Add your rows until you get it where you want it. That looks pretty good to me. Let's see what 25 does. 25, that might be a little too close, but it's between 24 and 25 for me. I zoom up. I think that looks pretty good with the 25. Let's go back to Fit. Okay. And it looks horrible on the screen. Don't worry about that. You'll also notice that this continuous here is red. Don't worry about that either in this case. And then I went to Sew in Zones, and this is what it looks like. I placed my zone and ready to stitch it out. So that's it. That's how you set up a wide width pantograph using Power Panto. Hope this helps. And as always, happy quilting.